Sunflower sea star. Have you ever actually seen a sea star run? It's not a slow crawl. The sunflower star has 15,000 tiny tube feet underneath it, and it uses them to haul its massive 24-armed body across the seafloor faster than almost any other invertebrate. It's a predator, plain and simple. It used to be everywhere along the Pacific coast, until that wasting disease hit in 2013. The population didn't just decline, it vanished. They're critically endangered now, and because they aren't there to eat the sea urchins anymore, the kelp forests are being stripped down to nothing. It's a massive shift in the ecosystem, caused by the loss of one single fast-moving animal. Crown-of-Thorns Starfish. The way this thing eats is just biological efficiency at its weirdest. It climbs onto a reef, shoves its stomach out through its mouth, and spreads it over the coral. It digests the living tissue right there on the skeleton, then pulls its stomach back in and moves on. When there are thousands of them, they can kill a reef faster than it can grow back. Australia has been dealing with these outbreaks for decades. It's not a villain. It's just a population that gets out of control when the conditions are right, and the coral pays for it. Chocolate chip sea star. People buy these for aquariums because of the name, but they're basically the janitors of the Indo-Pacific. Those dark chocolate chip bumps on their back are actually tough, calcified nodules. They aren't there for looks. They make the star a lot harder to eat. In the wild, they'll eat anything: algae, sponges, bits of decaying organic matter. They're slow, they're scavengers, and they've been doing the same thing for millions of years without needing to change much. Blue Linckia sea star. If a blue Linckia loses an arm, it doesn't just grow a new one. The arm itself can grow a whole new body. Divers find these things that look like a single long arm with 4 tiny nubs at the end. They call them comets. It's a strange, disjointed way to reproduce, but it works. The problem is their color. That bright blue makes them easy to spot, and because they're popular in the pet trade, they get pulled off the reef constantly. Most of them don't survive the trip or the tank, which is a lot of waste for a species that's actually quite difficult to keep alive. Cushion star. This one starts out looking like a normal 5-armed star, but as it gets older, it just fills out. The arms eventually merge into the body until it's just a thick, pentagon-shaped lump. It looks more like a rock or a heavy cushion than a starfish. They grow to the size of a dinner plate and just sit on the reef flats, grazing on algae and coral polyps. It's a weird transformation. It's like the animal decided that being star-shaped was a disadvantage, so it became a heavy, armored disc instead. Sand Sifting Sea Star. Not every sea star lives on a reef. This one lives its entire life under the sand. It doesn't have the typical grip that other stars have. Its arms are tapered into points for digging. It swallows its prey, mostly small snails and clams, whole. Most people don't even know they're there, because they rarely come to the surface. You might see a faint outline in the sand if you're looking for it, but usually they're just down there, shifting through the grains, completely invisible to the rest of the world.